guys, and welcome back to another video. Today I'll show you a really interesting feature in Windows 10 and Windows 11, which is called Shutdown. With this feature, you can simply just drag the screen in order to shut down your PC. It is a really interesting feature because it is just unusual to slide your screen in order to shut down your PC. So let's check it out. First, I will show you how to activate it, and then I will show you how this works. But before you do that, make sure to hit the subscribe button with the notifications on and like the video if you enjoy my content. So let's get straight into the video now. Alright, so now in order to activate the actual slide to shutdown application, we need to follow some easy steps. This is going to be really easy. Okay, so first we're going to need to go to File Explorer, easy. Then we'll need to go to the local disk C here, then Windows, and then find here System32. Okay, and here in System32 there are a lot of things here. So what we want to do is to search Slide to Shutdown. I already searched it here, and it should appear here. What we want to do now is optional. This is optional, but we can copy the file and basically just paste it here, because it will be much more accessible to us, like this. So now if we double click the application, we can see here the actual application. It says slide to shut down your PC. So if we slide this, it will basically just shut down the PC, which is really interesting because it's a really unusual way of shutting down your PC. So yeah, after a few moments it does disappear. So right when you want to shut down your PC, you just need to double click here, and you can slide to shut down your PC. Okay, now I'll show you what happens if you do slide. If of course it does shut down your PC, but you may want to see how this works. Alright, so you have my desktop here. Now let's actually go and run the application again. We have it here. So let's slide and shut down the PC. There we go. This successfully shut down my PC. This is really interesting actually. Alright, so that was mostly the video. Today we tested this interesting application, Slide to Shutdown, and I showed you how to use it and what it does. And if you like the video, as I said, make sure to subscribe and see you soon. Bye!